I love going out with my friends, but recently I've been feeling a lot of anxiety about going out.
I've seen all over the place that drink spiking is increasing.
It makes you not want to go out anymore.
So I started doing some research and I came across this really cool product.
It's called NightCap. It's a wearable drink spiking prevention device.
You can wear it in your hair like a scrunchie. You can wear it on your wrist.
My favorite part about it is that it's discreet. I'm literally wearing it right now and no one would ever be able to tell.
So it has this inner compartment.
The cap stays attached, so you won't lose it.
It even has the logo on there. How cute is that? You just put it literally over the top like that.
And it has this perfect hole for the straw.
See, nothing's getting in here. No one can really get in this.
I tested it out last night at the bar and it was amazing.
I actually got one in every color because I wanted me and all my girlfriends to have one when we go out. We're gonna make this the top trend of 2023.
I bring this out with me every single time I go out now. All of my friends do the same thing.
I like to match mine to whatever outfit I'm wearing too.
I mean, it sucks that we have to have things like this, but I am glad that I found NightCap.
We love to go out, but to be honest, we were nervous. But having this, I just feel so much safer.
Guys, I cannot recommend NightCap enough. Young or old, female or male, honestly, anyone is at risk of being assaulted. NightCap significantly reduces the risk of a stranger spiking your drink.
It is so convenient and it just protects you. It makes you feel safer and it makes going out fun again.
So if you are also feeling uncomfortable and want to make sure that you are safe and you will not come into harm's way, I cannot recommend it enough.
Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but lately I have been so nervous to go out to bars.
There's been a huge increase in drink spiking, so that's really just ruined my peace of mind.
Being in a targeted group and just the accessibility of these drink spiking drugs increase.
I have been left feeling so paranoid about going out.
So I saw this ad for a product that prevents your drink from spiking.
It's called NightCap.
NightCap is the world's first and only wearable drink spiking prevention device. It acts like a stylish scrunchie throughout the day, but come party time at night, NightCap transforms into your own personal drink guardian.
So there's this little like gap right here and you can pull this out and it connects to the scrunchie and you put this on top of your drink.
You slide the scrunchie over your drink, place the lid over your cup. You slide your straw in and you're ready to go.
And it prevents my drink from getting spiked. It's amazing. So I literally will like wear it in my hair or on my wrist when I go out.
So I have been bringing this out with me every single time and I just feel so much safer.
I just give one to all my friends when we go out and it just makes us all feel so much safer and we can just have more fun when we're out. And that's what we want, just to have more fun and not stress so much.
It is such a smart device to have and it gives me so much peace of mind.
I literally would recommend this to everybody.
Everyone needs it, male, female, young, old, everyone's at risk.
I am glad that I found NightCap. And now when I go out, I'm not paranoid anymore.
I am so glad that NightCap is here for us. I highly recommend it.